How to delete watched history on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Facebook application is updated to its latest version. So just go to Facebook, and as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Facebook. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, what you have to do is just tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings again and scroll down until you find the option of activity log. So here you can find the option of activity log. Tap on that. Then here you can see the option of archive, recycle bin and activity history over here. So just tap on activity history. And after tapping on that, you will see all the activities that you have done on Facebook. So if you have to just delete the watched history on Facebook, all you have to do is tap on these three dotted lines at the right corner of the screen, and then you'll see the option of delete. So just tap on delete. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.